Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always linked directly in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, please give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with all your friends and family. That does give me that direct feedback. But we are not going to waste any time. Beauty retailer Sephora is hiring a home chat beauty advisor for their client services. Now is the time that a lot of these retail places are staffing up for their holiday season. Good thing about Sephora is they're offering a 4-day work week. It is a full-time job, but it is a 4-day, 10-hour shifts, and shifts may vary. Now they are hiring remote throughout the United States except in 3 different states. But this is going to be a completely non-phone role. They're looking for somebody to provide that basic customer service and client request through inquiries that come through their live chat software on their website. So you'll work remotely from home, you'll set up beauty consultations, you'll give the customers product information, product sales, and you'll try to upsell them on any product. You'll help them with their Sephora.com order issues and any general questions they have about the website, Sephora.com products and services. Now you're going to demonstrate Sephora's standards for quality service and incorporate that culture into every interaction that you have with the clients, fulfilling their requests by asking clarifying questions, making sure that you understand exactly what they need so you can deliver on that. You're going to maintain open communication with your team lead QA supervisor for support and personal development, so you're not going to be on your own. You'll take feedback from them and apply any coaching tips that you get from them, engaging in the website and making sure you have up-to-date knowledge on tools, products, and all of that. So this is going to be completely non-phone typing customer service through chat. So they're not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They do want somebody who has a passion for Sephora clients and all things beauty. If you like makeup and beauty, this might be for you. They do prefer somebody who has 1 to 2 years of experience in retail beauty industry, someone who has strong knowledge of brands that Sephora carries, different makeup brands, great communication skills, specifically those written skills, but verbal and all also, and somebody who has the ability to multitask. Now, unfortunately, actual pay was not listed in the job description and will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. I don't work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, but I did a little bit of research to try to get an estimate, and it looks like a chat advisor at Sephora makes anywhere from $32,000 to $42,000 a year base pay, plus some bonuses, bringing that pay up to $33,000 to $45,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this type of job lead, give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.